Again, we have the angle of elevation, which is 40. And the distance from this point to the bottom of the tree is 15. And we need to find the height of this one. This angle is 40 because these are the alternate angles. And this distance is 15. And we need the opposite. Which of the relation can we use to find this height? Sine or cosine
1040.
or tan?
10,
أنا
1040.
Tan, because we have the opposite and we need the opposite and we have already the adjacent of this angle. So tan 40 will be the height over 15. Then the height will be 15 tan 40. It's okay? The second one. Can you solve the second one? The same idea. Danny is flying a kite.
Mr. we will use sign.
And this second one, it's okay. Have you finished the first one? Do you have any problem with it?
No.
Okay, the second one. He's flying a kite, and the angle of elevation between his position and the kite is 55, and the distance from this hand to the kite is 80, and we need the height of the kite. Okay, from the beginning of the flying and from his hand. So we have this side which represents the hypotenuse, and we need the height, and we need the angle. So which angle can we use to find it?
Can I see?
Yes.
Sine 55 equals
Fine,
height
because we have
over...
the hypotenuse and we need the height. The height is opposite, so opposite over hypotenuse, then we have to use the sine. So sine 55 equals h over, go on,
80.
80. So the height will be 80 sine 55. It's okay? Do you have any problem in this one?
No.
Do you have any problem?
لا مستر.
Give me the answer. What is the answer? What's the height?
66.
66. It's okay.
66.
Okay, let me solve another one. Number 3. A plane flies on a bearing of. No, bearing of. No, don't need bearing of name. Okay. This exercise, I'll give you a chance to solve it. 2 trees on the level of the ground, 12 meters apart. Okay? And the first is 2 meters, and the second is 11 meters. Okay? We need what is the length of the cable between the 2 trees, and correct the nearest meter. This one. Can you find it? Okay, sorry. عشان الصوت اقفل الصوت لغايه نحلها بس. Okay, how can we find this length? We need this x. It's okay. If you draw a line, tell me how can you solve? How did you solve?
مستر هو أنا استخدمت Pythagorean theorem شوية.
يعني parallel. If you draw a parallel to this side, you will get 12. You will get 12 like this one. And this is 2, and this is 11, and this is 2, this is 9. So we can find x by using the Pythagorean theorem. Tell me the answer.
مستر تبقى 15 سوري
15. طب قول لي الأنسر يلا.
تبقى 9 square plus 12 square
9 squared plus 12 squared, which is square root of 81 plus 144. Okay. Be root of 225, which is 15. Then the length of the cable is 15. Okay. What number 5? The third angle. What is the third angle? Is this third angle will be 180
73.
minus 50 plus 57, which is 73. Okay. And what about this side? The x over sine 73 or 9.9. Okay, we need this side. Okay, x over sine 73 equals 8.8 over sine 50. Then x will be 8.8 sine 73 over sine 50, which is, calculated please.
مستر
هتبقى 10.9 يا مستر.
10.9. Can you check the answer again? Meters. Okay. So we need to find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle, we haven't any heights, but we can use this rule, which is the area equals half the product of any two sides times sine the included angle. Now we have this, and we can directly, if we have this angle only 73, we can use it by half times 9.9 times 8.8 sine 73 directly. But we get it to complete the triangle or to solve the triangle. Now we have solved the triangle. This is A, B, C. Then A and B and C, we have everything now. We have A and we have B and we have C. A is 10.9 and B is 9.9 and this one is 8.8. Okay, and we can use it from the beginning by using this rule. Half the product of any two sides sine the included angle. So if you multiply half times 9.9 times 8.8 sine the included angle, you will get the area of the triangle. It's okay. Yani instead of half times the base times the height, you can use half times 9.9 times 8.8 sine 73. It's okay. Have you got it? Have you got it? Use the cosine rule to find it because you have three sides. And if we have three sides, then we can use the cosine rule. When we can use the sine rule, if the given is
لو في angle
two angles only.
لا والsides.
If you have two angles and one side, or two sides and non-included angle.
لا two angles
okay, you can use the sine. Let me revise it. Sine rule. When you can use the sine rule, if you have two angles, sine rule. If you have two angles and one side, or if you have two sides and non-included angle. Okay, so you can use a sine rule if you have two angles and one side, or two sides and non-included angle. And cosine rule if you have three sides or two sides and the included angle. Two sides and included angle. It's okay. So you have three sides, then you can use the sine rule. Go on. This is A. Let this A and B and C if you don't, if you cannot solve it like that. Okay. Go on.
اقول يا مستر.
اتفضل.
اوكي. اوكي تبقى الكوزين A equal رول، بس كوزين A equal B باور of 2
A equals
B باور
B
of 2.
squared.
مستر ممكن بس في الرسم ممكن اخلي B مكان A.
A B C as you like. Okay.
اوكي شكرا.
B squared plus
C باور of 2 minus
yes
A باور of 2 over 2BC.
over 2BC. Excellent.
يعني مستر يعني كوزين A equal 7 باور of 2 plus
7
لا
power of
سوري 8 باور
plus
of 2 plus 7 باور
plus
of 2 minus 6 power of 2 over 2 times 7
6
times
over
8.
8. You said this 8 squared minus 6 squared over 2 times 7 times 8.
Yes.
Did you find the answer? Cosine equals. Then
بس
measure of
متأكد.
angle A will be cosine power of -1 of this answer.
مستر هنعمل شيفت كوزاين 0.6875.
Okay, tell me the result of this one.
اوكي
Cosine.
تطلع مستر 47.2.
Okay, 47.2.
يعني بي.
ايوه بي ماشي. استنى عشان رجلي.
الحاجة اللي بعديها ولا
مستر هو مش smallest angle مع smallest side وميدل angle مع middle side
Yes,
وأكبر angle مع
we
أكبر
need the
side.
smallest angle. We need the smallest angle. Then we need the angle opposite to the smallest side. Yes.
ومستر ممكن الحل اللي بعدها.
You need the smallest angle. So the smallest angle is opposite to the shortest side. Okay. Have you got it? طلعت كام؟